will be seeing a very common symptom which is felt by most of you all, that is lethargy or low amount of energy. This is caused because of less amount of iron in your body, which is commonly termed as anemia. Anemia is caused when you have less amount of iron intake in your foods. So let's see how we can improve our iron intake and improve our anemia and improve our energy too. So today we will be making a leaf paratha. Come on, let's see how are the ingredients. So we'll require some amount of carrot which is grated, okay, a lime, this is green capsicum, this is red capsicum which is also grated, this is parsley. These are olive seeds which are also called as garden cress seeds. This is dhania jeera powder, this is coriander which is finely chopped, this is paneer. You can have full fat paneer or low fat paneer, that is absolutely fine. This is nachni atta. Nachni is sprouted and then it is made into atta. So it is actually nachni sprout atta. Okay, this is green chilies, this is palak, this is salt, some amount of cumin seeds or jeera, this is spring onion, some amount of oil. So this is whole wheat atta. Now let's start with the batter making procedure. Okay, we'll take a bowl. Okay, now in this we'll add our whole wheat atta. Here we go. Okay, now in this we'll add nachni atta. Now as I've told you, nachni atta, if you must be aware of, it is rich in calcium. But when we sprout this nachni, it also becomes a rich source of iron and also vitamin C. Okay, just we have to mix 50-50 portion of both of this atta. Okay, now we'll add some water to it. Before adding water, we'll add olive seeds to it. You know, this is also called as halim or also called as garden cress seeds. It has highest amount of iron into it and it's really bioavailable iron. That's really nice. Approximately 1 gram of olive seeds have 1 milligram of iron. That's the really highest amount of iron. We'll add some water to it now. So now we have made our batter ready and here we are ready to go with our batter. It should not be very hard, not very soft, a proper batter so that we can also make some filling to it. Na? That's why. Okay. So now we are ready with our batter and we will just keep it aside so that it will become more soft and you can add the filling to it very nicely. Till that time, we'll make other preparations. So we'll take one more bowl. Okay. Now in that we need to add paneer. Dear friends, do you know that paneer, it's a good source of protein. Along with that, it is also a good source of calcium. So that's it. We'll take good amount of protein, that is our paneer portion, and we'll crumble it well so that you know. Okay, that's right. Okay, now to this we need to add our various other things. First, starting with carrot. Now we'll also add capsicum. This is green capsicum that we are adding, which is already grated, and this is red capsicum. Now we'll add some amount of palak to it. Okay, now we'll add this dhania jeera powder. Okay, some amount of coriander leaves. Okay, these are some chilies to go. Along with that, we'll also have spring onions. Spring onions are really good because it have soothing effect on our stomach. looks very beautiful, colorful, amazing. Okay, now we add some amount of salt to it. Okay, that seems to be ready. Amazing. Now, let's see how our batter is doing. If you can see, it has become very light and very fluffy. That is what is required when we make paratha. Okay, now we'll make balls out of it. Okay, now let's take our filling. Oh, this looks... It's very simple, just make it like a paratha and you just need to add filling to it. So, we have also added good amount of vitamin C to this thing. Okay, for vitamin C, we'll definitely add something, a punch to it. We'll have lime, okay. We'll remove the seeds of it and we'll sprinkle generous amount of lime to it, which has good amount of vitamin C. Wow, that's nice. Which will also give it a tangy flavor, but the most important why I am adding it is not for flavor, but so that the iron is absorbed properly in our body. Now we'll add this filling to our... Okay, so here we close our paratha with sumptuous amount of filling to it. It looks just proper, just perfect and just right. Okay, we'll add some flour so that it can help us in rolling. We'll just have a pan. Now we'll just have our pan ready. Okay, switch on the flame. Okay, that's right. We require some amount of oil to it. So let's add some oil to it, a dash of oil. Not much amount of oil because already it's a non-stick pan. Yeah. Okay, that's right. It will just grease our pan so that our paratha should not stick to the pan. Now we'll take our paratha and here we go. So whenever you are having... Okay, that seems good. Okay, now we'll just remove it off the flame. Now it's time for Nutri Paratha, which is on roll. Now you can pair this with delicious curd. Wow, that's nice. A complete meal which is full of iron, vitamin C and a dash of protein, which serves as a perfect combination for all the children and all the women out there.
आलू पराठा बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए ग्रेटेड कैरेट, लेमन, ग्रीन कैप्सिकम, रेड कैप्सिकम, पार्सले, ऑलिव सीड्स, कोरिएंडर और क्यूमिन पाउडर, चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर लीव्स, पनीर, नाचनी आटा, ग्रीन चिली, पालक, सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट, क्यूमिन सीड्स, स्प्रिंग अनियन, ऑयल और होल व्हीट आटा। आलू पराठा बनाने के लिए एक बोल में होल व्हीट आटा, नाचनी आटा और ऑलिव सीड्स ऐड करें और फिर पानी की सहायता से गूंथ लें। अब दूसरा बोल लें, उसमें पनीर लें, उसे अच्छे से मस लें, फिर उसमें ग्रेटेड कैरेट, ग्रीन कैप्सिकम, रेड कैप्सिकम, पालक, धनिया, जीरा पाउडर, कटी हुई कोरिएंडर लीव्स, हरी मिर्च, स्प्रिंग अनियंस और सॉल्ट ऐड करें और अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर लें। अब गुथा हुआ आटा लें, उसकी बॉल्स बनाकर रोल करें, फिर उसमें बनाया हुआ मिक्सचर डालकर अच्छे से कवर करें और फिर रोल करें। अब एक पैन लें, उसमें थोड़ा ऑयल ऐड करें, फिर उस पर पराठे को अच्छी तरह सेक लें। टेस्टी और आयरन से भरपूर आलू पराठा सर्व करने के लिए तैयार है।
For more recipes, subscribe to our channel, My Food Call.